Off goes tram 232 off to Hucknall. Yes, this is a tram. There is the Robin Hood line, and we are here today at Basford. Now we have a Nottingham Express Transit service to Clifton South. Working gear is tram number 210. Today at Basford we'll be seeing services by Nottingham Express Transit, if you want to count that as a service, and the main line and the Robin Hood line trains operated by East Midlands Railway.
Of course. To Clifton South.
Tram number 210 is departing with a Nottingham Express Transit service to Clifton South. This video will be heavily dominated by the trams.
Yeah.
As they roar away. Okay. Yet again, we're recording for a tram. This time it's a tram heading for Toton Lane. Working this service is tram number 225.
225. Is it stopping? Is it stopping? Is it stopping?
It might be. Yes, it's stopping.
Probably a passenger.
Yep, a couple of passengers. We have tram 225 again leaving, this time bound for Toton Lane. There's a lot of trams here. Tram. Well, now we see another tram. This one's bound for Clifton South, as you'd expect. One tram Clifton, one tram Toton. Working this service is tram number 219.
219? Stopping. No.
Is it stopping?
Don't stop. How long does it do?
It stops. Meanwhile, we have another tram pulling in. No one got off, and no one's getting on. Meanwhile, we have tram number 214 pulling in, bound for Phoenix Park.
And off goes 219.
219 is off.
And 214.
214 is about to depart as well. Those things really can accelerate, can't they?
Yep. We should be seeing that again in about, what?
30 minutes?
Yep.
Pulling in now, we have a service bound for Hucknall.
Tram number...
Again, it's tram number 235.
235.
2 plus 3 equals 5. Unfunny joke, be like. Tram number 235 we should actually now be departing with Nottingham Express Transit service to Hucknall. As we've got another tram.
Where we go then?
We again see another Nottingham Express Transit service to Toton. This is again being worked by another tram number. Of course it is. It's a tram. It's tram number 236.
So in
case you're wondering why the camera's so shaky, I'm always glancing back there, so I can keep out for another tram/train.
Chris, you know when you said that?
Yeah, I know. Another tram. Guess what we are pulling in? Another tram bound for Phoenix Park. Well, that's going straight through. It's tram number 222 heading to Phoenix Park. I like the Meridian. Its namesake. It's flying. Incoming now, we see a Nottingham Express Transit service to Hucknall. Yep, again.
Another tram.
Yeah. It's tram number 224.
234.
224.
Stopping. No.
That's not stopping. As that goes off, we see another tram. This one is bound for Clifton South.
224 has...
Its workiness is 223, which will be stopping because there's a bloke on the platforms. And almost as quickly as it pulled in, 223 is departing with a Nottingham Express Transit service to Clifton South. As you can see, there are a lot of trams here. Also, hence the fact, also just take this in, we have seen no trains and we're 5 minutes into the footage. Speaking of trams, from that little joke conversation we were having, another tram is pulling in bound for Phoenix Park. This might not be stopping. It's 2:20 and it is stopping. Soon enough, we should be seeing the first appearance from an actual train. Now we have 2:20 departing bound for Phoenix Park. We should be seeing 2 trains passing at approximately the same time. The East Midlands Railway service to Bulwell Workstop, and the East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Once again, if we look in the distance, we see, you'll never guess what?
Yes!
A tram! This one is bound for Toton Lane. And working this service is tram number
2.
Is it 231? No, 221. That's the tram I was on earlier. I was actually on this tram earlier. But I had to get off it so I could wait for this guy. I had to get off at the forest so to wait for this guy. The next certain tram should be the tram we were on, 232.
Bye-bye.
Now we see 221 heading off to Toton Lane.
Bye, tram.
We should be seeing that again even later. Maybe at Bulwell.
No, it's going to be Hucknall.
It's either going to be Hucknall or Bulwell. So yeah, you know what I said about trams? Are they frequent? Yeah, there's another one over there. It's heading to Clifton South. But hopefully we should have something that will spice up the action any minute now.
Well,
It's not electric powered. So, no tram.
It's... what?
It will be...
I wonder what line we're next to. Oh yeah, the Robin Hood line.
Yeah, we're running that... We're parallel with the Robin Hood line. This is a Clifton South tram. This is tram number 214.
Hang on a minute, did we see 214?
Yeah, we did.
That was good for 214.
Yeah. 214 is now departing with Nottingham Express Transit, so it's to Clifton South. Again, as we've said that before. Okay, we have another tram. This is bound for Hucknall. Is it stopping? Maybe. It's 237.
237.
Yes, it is stop. It's not stopping. 237's off. Those things really can accelerate. Speed limit here 65 kilometers an hour. You wouldn't expect those things to be able to go so fast. Okay, so we have another tram. This one's bound for Phoenix Park. Is this 203? Is this 206? Is this 203 or 205? Or is it 206? It is...
Stopping.
212. It's 212. Okay.
It's not
stopping. And there's another tram. That one over there is bound for Toton. Yay, trams! And yeah, we have another tram here.
Of course.
This time is bound for Toton.
And by the look of it, it's stopping because of 2 people.
Yeah, there's 2 people on the platform, so
it's 2.
This should be 232. Yep, it's 232. The tram we took in. Yep, it's stopping. Tram 232 and it's stopping.
Yeah, still can't see next tram. Train. Even.
We should be seeing some soon enough. Now again we see another tram passing. This time it's 232. Those things really can accelerate, as I've said before. We now have another tram. This one's bound for Hucknall. Is it stopping?
No.
No.
2.
It's 2:28. And it is not stopping. Thanks for the tone, buddy. Oh, we have a train! Finally, we have 158 864. Working at the East Midlands Railway service in Nottingham.
Let's not talk about trains.
Trains can be put aside for now, as we have yet another tram. This one's bound for Clifton South. 222.
Hello again. Not tram, train. Oh yes.
The reason why that didn't stop is because I shook my head to indicate that no, we didn't want to get on. Okay, so finally, if you look over there, we have a green signal for the train, which means that the line has been cleared, which means that the single track has been cleared. So we should be seeing, there it is! I was about to say, we should be seeing a train bound for Worksop. We're 158 866. Meanwhile, we have another tram pulling in.
We have another train.
Another tram. We have another tram.
Not stop it.
It's going to Phoenix Park. 201.
207.
201 is not stopping. And so, yeah. Now we've got a little bit of a break. It's supposed to be 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes. We putting in that. Well, we have now a it will be putting in. We have a tram bound for Toton Lane. It's tram number 235. Again. Up.
It's not stopping.
It is stopping. And pulling in as well, we have a tram bound for Hucknall. It's one of the newly refurbished sets.
Fine for Hucknall.
205.
And off goes 235. You can see our theme here for today, can't you?
Yeah, of course you can, as it's trams.
Off goes 235.
235 is off. And 205 will be off.
Speaking of 205, it's off. Bye-bye.
Well, there's another tram bound Clifton at David Lane. We now see another tram bound for Clifton South. We've probably already seen this one. It's tram number 220. Tram number 220. By the way, we're not reading out the names on the trams, as that would just take ages.
Pardon?
We're not reading out the names on the trams, as that would just take ages.
20 is
Departing now, we have 220 bound for Clifton South. And I'm going to keep it rolling, guys. In 1 minute, we have a tram bound for Phoenix Park. It might start raining soon. There we go.
Tram number 2.
We have another tram bound for Phoenix Park.
Not stopping.
It might not be stopping. It's 218.
218.
It is stopping.
No, it's not.
Down number 218.
I hate it when it goes.
About to pull in, we have our last tram of the morning here at Basford, which is a Nottingham Express Transit service to Hucknall. Yes, we will actually be catching this one as we head over to our next stop, Bulwell. Or Bulwell. Or however you want to say it. Here it is.
It's
Working it, we have one of the newer sets. It's tram number 216.
Thank you ever so much for watching.
And as this pulls in, we shall leave it here. Thank you all very much for watching. Do all the other stuff the YouTubers tell you to do. And we'll see you at Bullwall.
Bye.
See ya.